Good morning class. I am Lakshman Singh again with remaining part of area and circumference of circle. Let us start. Let us take one question. The area of two concentric circles are 962.5 cm square and 1386 cm square respectively. Find the width of the ring. So you see that here we have two concentric circles. One is small, another one is bigger circle. Radius of smaller circle is small r and radius of bigger circle is capital R. Then area of bigger circle, that will be definitely bigger one. This will be the area of bigger circle. So pi capital R square 1386 cm square, pi small r square 962.5 cm square. Now pi capital R square equal to 1386. So R square equal to 1386 upon pi. We have put the value of pi 22 upon 7, calculated it. So we are getting R square equal to 441. So R capital R is equal to 21 centimeter. Now pi small r square equal to 962.5. So R small r square equal to 962.5 into 7 upon 22. Here we have put the value of pi. On calculation we get R square equal to 306.25. So small r equal to square root of 306.25, that is equal to 17.5 centimeter. So width of ring will be capital R minus small r. We have subtracted small r from capital R. So we are getting width of ring 3.5 centimeter. Let us see another question. In the given figure, the area enclosed between two concentric circles is 808.5 cm square. The circumference of outer circle is 242 cm. Find the radius of inner circle and width of ring. So we can see here radius of inner circle is small r and radius of bigger circle is capital R. Area enclosed between this area is called area enclosed between two concentric circles. So this area is equal to given 808.5 and given circumference of outer circle. Outer circle we can see the bigger circle, that is 2 pi capital R, circumference of bigger circle, that is given 242. So capital R is equal to 242 upon 2 pi. Here we have put the value of pi 2 as it is, pi 22 upon 7, 7 goes up. On calculation we get capital R equal to 38.5 centimeter. We have got radius of external circle. Now we know that area of ring equal to pi capital R square minus small r square, that is given equal to 808.5 centimeter. R capital R square minus small r square, 808 upon pi. Pi value of pi we have put 22 upon 7. Capital R, value of capital R 38.5 we have got its square, we get 1482.25 minus r square is equal to, on calculation of this we will do, so we will get 257.25. Now r square we transpose to right hand side, 257.25 we bring to left hand side. On subtraction we get r square equal to 1225. So r is equal to square root of 1225, we get 35. Small r we have got 35, capital R we have got 38.5. So we know that width of ring, that is equal to capital R minus small r. So capital R 38.5 minus 3.5 equal to capital R 38.5 minus 35 equal to 3.5 centimeter. That is width of ring. Find the area of circle circumscribing an equilateral triangle of side 15 centimeter. So let us see radius of circumcircle of equilateral triangle. We know that is a upon under root 3. A means side of equilateral triangle. So we get 15 upon root 3. On solving this 15 upon root 3, we get 5 upon root 3. How do we get? 15 is broken in 3 into 5 and then divided by root 3. This root 3, this 3 cancel to root 3 times. So we get 5 under root 3. You can see this calculation. Area of circumcircle equal to pi r square. Value of pi is 3.14. We have put here value of pi 3.14 into radius. We have got 5 under root 3 and its square. 5 square 25, root 3 square 3, that is 75 into 3.14. We find its product, that is 235.5 centimeter square. That will be area of circumcircle. Let us take another question. In the given figure, ABCD is a rectangle inscribed in a circle. If two adjacent sides of the rectangle be 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter, so calculate radius of the circle, area of shaded region, and pi is given 3.14. So you see this circle given and rectangle given here. You can see rectangle ABCD is inscribed in the circle. So here this diameter will be diagonal of rectangle. So diameter of circle equal to diagonal of rectangle. We know that diagonal of rectangle under root L square plus B square. So we get under root 8 square plus 6 square, that is 36 plus 64. So under root 100, that is 10. Diameter is 10. So radius will be diameter upon 2, 10 upon 2, that is 5 centimeter. Radius we have got. Now let's see more. So now we have got radius 5 centimeter. Area of shaded region, that will be area of circle minus area of rectangle. So area of circle, that is pi r square. Area of rectangle, length into breadth, that pi 3.14 given. R square, radius we have got 5 square minus 8 into 6, length into breadth. So this part we get 78.5 and 6 into 8, 48. Subtracted, so we get 30.5 centimeter square, that is area of shaded region. Good morning.